What's going on, guys? Next up on the turntable, we've got a Maisto 2015 Ford Mustang GT. Not going to be redoing the whole thing. I'm going to keep the paint on this one, just going to be adding some decals, some details, and doing a wheel swap. I actually want the car to be white, so no point in stripping it down. It is one of the cheaper Maisto models, so it's got the blacked out glass, which means there's absolutely no interior in it at all. I have already drilled it apart to confirm that fact. There's not a whole lot of progress footage going to be involved in this, so I'll just keep it short and sweet, and I'll be right back. And here we have the Mustang all finished up. As I mentioned earlier, I left the white paint job from the factory. Just added some decals, some details, and did a wheel swap. We got the Running Pony logos on the sides. Detailed the headlights. Did the windshield wipers white. Put the white strip above the on the top of the windshield there. Just trying to do everything I could to detail that blacked out glass. Got the tail lights done. Nice new set of rubber wheels for it. Love those white wheels. And then you guys can see I got the black Gulf racing stripe on it. I know it should go down over the front of that hood a little bit more, as well as over the back spoiler here. But I don't have any micro set for my decals, so it's not very easy to lay them down over top of those grooves and lines in the castings. This is my first attempt at racing stripes, so don't judge me too harsh. I still think it turned out pretty nice. You can see on the top there, got the Ford decal mingled in with that racing stripe. I just basically cut a notch out of that racing stripe so that Ford logo would fit down in there. I think it looks pretty nice. Definitely compared to where I started with just a plain old white Mustang. It was a nice little Mustang, but gotta say I definitely like it a lot better now. Flip it over and let you guys check out the little bit of detail I did on the bottom of it. And there you can see, got the usual stuff detailed. Got my channel logo on the bottom there. I go back and forth about where I'm going to put that, my channel decal. Sometimes I usually put it on the rear end of the car, but it doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes I don't want my decal logo to be on it, that you can see. So I put it on the bottom this time. That's gonna do it, guys. Quick little detail, decals, and new wheels. Hope you guys enjoyed another video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.